English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, enable, illegal, largely. Enable. Enable is a verb. B2 learners usually know enable. To enable means to make someone able to do something or to make something possible. Here are some examples. Extra funding will enable us to improve childcare. The award enables him to totally focus on his research. They all have wheels to enable easy movement. Illegal. Illegal is an adjective. B2 learners usually know illegal. Illegal means not allowed by law. Here are some examples. Carrying a knife in the street is illegal. Anyone who has illegal substances on them will be punished. The illegal dumping of waste in the side roads was becoming an annoyance for all the residents. Largely. Largely is an adverb. B2 learners usually know largely. Largely means almost completely. Here are some examples. The rule is largely ignored. The building will be largely in place by next year. We won, largely because of the practical efforts that you all made. Now, write some of your own sentences with enable, illegal, and largely. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.